Portable, water-saving and easy to use, pressure cleaners are a handy alternative to pressure washers. They draw water from any source rather than the mains and are just the thing for tackling light dirt. Here's what to think about if you're looking to buy one. Pressure cleaners are cordless. Powered by lithium-ion batteries, you have the freedom to use them anywhere in the garden as well as when you're out and about. As with all cordless tools, check the charge and run times. You won't want to be waiting a couple of hours before you can use it and then only have a few minutes to get the job done. We recommend looking for models with a battery level indicator display, which is a really useful feature that lets you know how much battery life you have left. It's also worth checking which tools in the range are compatible with the battery, because this offers you better value for money. Although pressure cleaners don't have the same power as pressure washers, which plug into the mains, it's still important to consider the output of the motor, measured in watts, the water pressure, measured in bars, and the water flow rate, measured in litres per hour. The higher these figures are, the better the pressure cleaner will be at handling tougher jobs. As a rule of thumb, the standard performance is around 120 litres per hour with 22 bar pressure from 20 volts. Some models allow you to vary the pressure as well as offering turbo and eco modes, so check for additional features. A mains connector is another useful accessory, but is often sold separately. You should also consider the length of the lance and the hose. The longer they are, the more versatility you'll have when you're using it, and the easier it will be to reach those awkward areas. Some models come with an extension lance, and others offer the option to change the position of the handle, which makes it much more comfortable. Pressure cleaners come with multi-spray nozzles that fit on the end of the lance. The more options you have for varying the spray, the better. Some models come with a range of accessories too, like a collapsible bucket, brush and soap bottle, or they can be bought separately. It's worth considering the weight of these portable cleaners, especially as some are powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries. This is important because unlike a pressure washer where you hold the lance, when you're using a pressure cleaner you hold the entire tool, so make sure it isn't going to be too heavy to hold for any length of time. Finally, it's useful if you can remove the lance so the tool can be stored away without taking up too much space.